how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and tap on create public profile. Tap on continue, get started, create. Your public profile will be created here. Now tap on it to edit the public profile. To add a cover photo to your public profile, tap on this add a cover photo option. And now you can select a photo from your gallery. Tap on apply. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Now you can edit your profile by tapping here. You can add a bio, location, and to preview your public profile, tap on preview. And here you will see a preview of your profile. So this is how we can create a public profile on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.